How to change profile picture on Signal. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Signal app on your device. Click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on your name at the top. After you click on your name at the top, it will open this page. Here, click on Edit Photo at the top. Now you'll find all these options. Select camera to take picture or click on photo. It will open all your photos. Select the photo you want to change to. After you've selected the photo, crop the photo as you want and press on the tick mark at the bottom right. You can edit if you want. If not, press on tick mark at the bottom right again and press on save at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to change profile picture on Signal. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.